Hey guys, so just a video on how to get Dragon City Hack for iOS and Android, guys. 2025 approved. As you can see, we are broke, but in the mod menu, we can enable unlimited gems. So I'm going to turn this on, guys, just to show you that it actually works. So let me just enable that right there. And let's see if it starts going up or not. Maybe it won't work. Let's see. So, no, there's not really any change on my account yet. Hopefully it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this Dragon City hack for iOS and Android. Super cool. So let's get into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. This is fully updated, by the way. So you can see in here, there are some other settings as well. You know, we got stats tools, you know, pretty crazy stuff, all this stuff. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is go to our browser and just go to the website tweakmod.com and type Dragon City. So once it comes up, just go ahead and press install, and then just going to wait for it to download. So before it downloads, there is going to be one more step, which is verification. So what this basically is you have to download 2 apps and follow instructions. They're 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. And then we're going to have the Dragon City hack on our device. So yes, it is 2025 updated Dragon City hack. So now we are going to that verification page where we just have to download 2 of the apps. So you can see like Underdog, all these different ones. So just press on it and then it will take you to the App Store. You download it, do what it says. So the Underdog's the down and run for 30 seconds. So just do 2 of them, then the Dragon City mod will be on your phone and you will be rich, guys. So it is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe and peace out.